Sup, dudes? I'm back.
He's back.
Kinda. I don't know. Maybe. It's been like 2 years. Couple life updates. New garage. I got married. I adopted a child. He's 15. So, still adopted a child. New super chief. Stephanie's, not mine. Couple updates to the Vic. We got a shorty fender. We got a floodlight. Stickers. We got hand guards. We got little gold mirror guys. I got dog barking. Graphio 2-into-1 exhaust. We got a new house. And a very not new 1987 Goldwing GL1200 Interstate. She's crusty. She's a little crusty. That's okay. I want it crusty. I wanted a crusty one. I don't know if it runs. It cranks a little bit. Good enough for me, right? So, this is it. 98 thousands of pure American Japanese stuff. I've already started taking it apart. It's project. It's a project. I got it on a trade, so I didn't pay for it. So I really don't care. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Anyway, let's take a look at it. So she's a little dirty, a little crusty. I don't know the history. I don't know where it was stored or how it was stored. Obviously, it was outside or in a barn somewhere, but she's a little dirty. A little wolf spider in there that we've been hanging out with, and he's been scaring me a little, and then I blew him away with my compressed air. Missing a little badge. Couple little loose bits. A little more crust. Little crust. Got the side covers though. Some big old swingy antenna boys. Little rust, little dirt, little. You know, she needs a little love. I've cleaned it a little bit. It was way dirtier. So I started tearing it apart because I'm gonna take the carbs off. There's 4 of them. And in the middle of that, I said, you know what? I tried to do a restoration before on my channel. I didn't finish it. I'd like to finish one. And if I don't, I didn't pay for this thing, so it was free. I got it on a trade, but I also didn't pay the thing for the thing that I traded it for. So now I'm not gonna make it perfect. I want it to be a little raggedy looking. I just wanna go cruising through town on a raggedy looking Goldwing. That's been my dream for like years. I'm gonna clean all this, obviously. I'm gonna clean it. But I'm gonna leave it, you know, showing its age and showing its miles. So I've already started taking the carb unit off. There's 4 carbs. And when I pulled the plugs, this one was full of coolant and a little rusted. This one's the only one that looked good. That one looks pretty good. These 2, well, mostly that one, was filled with gas because I got a stuck float. And these carbs just need attention. So this one, when I was cranking, started spewing some gas. And it got down in there, and that's okay. So I started, you know, pulling this all off. And that's when I thought, I should say hi to my friends, because I miss them. I had a lot of traction on that old Victory rebuild that I was trying to do. And I still get people like, hey, are you gonna finish this? I'm like, no, that bike's been going for 4 years, 3 years. Sorry, it's not gonna get done. This might not get done either, but we'll try. And I don't know how many videos I'll make. This is gonna be a long process because it needs a lot. And you know, it costs money. And I have a lot of other things I need to do. So it's gonna be a process. And I don't know if I'm gonna make other videos. I don't have cameras anymore. I'm just gonna use my phone. I don't have editing software. I don't really use my laptop. So we'll just do what we can on iMovie. Maybe I'll make some videos of like rides, you know, and just voiceover or something. I don't know. But I kind of want to make YouTube videos again. I've wanted to for a while, so we'll see. This isn't a how-to, so if you're here to learn how to do stuff, I'm not your guy, because I'm also watching YouTube videos on how to do stuff. Like pulling this carb off, 4 carbs, YouTube videos. It's a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. But I mean, you could see it like come apart and me try to do stuff and then see if it works. We're learning. She's pretty. So let's pick back up where I was. See if we can't pull these carbs off. I got it loose. She don't look great. It's not great. I don't know why it's stuck. Hell in tarnation. Everyone on YouTube makes this look so damn easy. They just pull it out. Just pull it out. Linda, listen, okay? It's out. Intake manifold and all 4 carbs, they're out, okay? Now we got a big hole here that we can do other stuff. Like I think I said, shut up. I think I said, I have a coolant leak. So I'm gonna chase that and probably just replace all the coolant O-rings and seals and inspect all the lines and the radiator, of course. Reservoirs, crust to crust. This thing's icky, but that's what we wanted. We wanted to do this. We're excited to do this. So we're gonna do it. So we got lots of stuff to do. I'm gonna start by cleaning all this up. We'll clean it up. The lines, I don't know, I might have to replace some of those. These look okay. I'm gonna clean these. They're not incredibly stiff and cracky. Still got some flex to them. So those might be okay. We'll see. I don't know. But that'll do it for today's segment. If you want to follow, you can follow and subscribe and go look at the last project that I tried to take on that was just a total disaster. I don't know. I almost got it. I got it running, the old Victory, before I sent her on her way. But that's all for today. Next time we'll clean the carbs and I'm going to order a rebuild kit and some coolant system O-rings. We'll go from there. Cool. Now I'm going to Waffle House and to the movies to see F1. So I'm gonna go skeet out of here. Okay. Missed y'all. Love ya.